Do you want a fun way to teach your kids about Earth Day? Well, stay tuned because I have an idea for you. Hi everybody, I'm Nick from thebeardedhousewife.com, the blog and the YouTube channel that shows you simple ways to craft your house into a home. Today I want to show you this Earth Day Easel Card that I came up with. They are super simple to make. They are super fun too. My daughter loves the fact that they pop up and they stand up all on their own. And I thought that this was a perfect way to show her or to teach her a little bit more about Earth Day, what it's all about, and why we should always recycle, 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 because we want to take care of Mother Earth, right? So let's head on over to my blog. I'll show you how to get the free file, and then we'll move over to Design Space and we'll get started making it. Okay, here we are at my blog, thebeardedhousewife.com. We're going to head to the Resource Library tab. If you don't have access to my file library, you can click the Get Access tab. You'll fill out a form and then you'll be emailed the password. But for now, we're going to go to Enter the Library. Once you type in the password and hit Enter, you'll be brought to the file library. You're going to want to scroll down and find number 70, which is the Earth Day Easel Card. You're going to click the hyperlink, download it to your computer, and then unzip the file. And then we can go ahead and open up Design Space and we can get started. Now that we have Design Space open, we're going to head to Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we have that downloaded onto our computer and hit Open, and then Upload. Highlight that image and click Insert Image. It's going to bring it into our canvas. And you can see in the layers panel to the right that I have set all of the score lines. Everything is all done for you. However, we do need to bring in our print and cut images. So go to Upload again, hit Browse, find the print and cut file folder in the download, and then you can hit Complex and Continue. Click the little magic wand here in the left hand corner and click anywhere in the background. We just want to make sure that we erase all of the little bits, and hit Continue. Make sure that you select Print and Cut and then hit Save, or Upload, excuse me. Highlight that image and then click Insert Image. Now we have our print and cut image brought into our canvas. We do need to change the size, so change the width to 5.6 inches. There we go. And then we can head up to Make It. You'll see that we have our print and cut image there, our other two layers. You can go ahead and click Continue, and now click Send to Printer. This is to print out the print and cut. Make sure that Add Bleed is on, and then click Print. And from here you can go ahead and make your material selections, and then we can get to cutting everything. For this tutorial, we're going to need our green standard grip cutting mat, our cardstock, our print and cut image, the scoring wheel or scoring stylus, adhesive tape or glue, and some foam squares. I'm going to go ahead and get the print and cut image onto our mat and get everything cut out. Once everything's cut out, we can go ahead and get assembled. I'll see you when everything's all done. Alright, everything's been cut out, so it's time to go ahead and assemble. First things first, let's add some adhesive to the backing piece. This is the single circle that's out of green cardstock. We're going to put the Earth print and cut image on top of that. Make sure that you line up the edges. There we go. Give it a good press. Set that to the side. Now let's take our outer card layer and we're going to want to fold along the score lines. The score line on the circle needs to be folded towards you, just like that. And now take your scraper and go ahead and press the folds to make sure that we have nice crisp fold lines. Okay, let's go ahead and grab the insert or the inside card layer. Add some adhesive to the back of that. And line that up on the inside of the card. There's going to be a little bit of space all the way around to create a border. Give that a good press. Now take one of your foam squares or dots, whatever you have. Put that on the back of the little recycle symbol. Peel off the other paper backing. And place that right above the Happy Earth Day text. Give it a press. Alright, now we're going to take our Earth print and cut image and attach it to the card. Add some adhesive to the lower portion underneath the score line. And then take the Earth image and lining up the edges, give that a good press. There we go. Get all this stuff out of the way. There we go. See, that little pop-up makes the card stand up and creates the easel effect. Aren't those cool? I love the way that they turned out. The easel function on it is such a cool thing. I plan to make lots more easel cards in the future. I hope that you liked this video. If you did, make sure that you hit like and subscribe so that you know every time that I come out with a new video. Head on over to my blog, thebeardedhousewife.com. I have lots of other tutorials for you, plenty of cards too, so make sure that you check it out. Until next time, I'm Nick. I'm the Bearded Housewife. I will see everybody later. Bye-bye.